To check if your Pixel 10 was hacked, first of all, let's open a settings on our device. Next step is to move down until we find security and privacy options, and inside, the first thing is to just check the app security right here with Google Play Protect. Perform a quick scan if there's any harmful apps found on your phone. If there isn't any, just go back, and here we can confirm the hack. If we go to our account security, we can go for Google Security Checkup, and then it will check if your account is protected. So I strongly recommend to go here and then check your recent security activity to see if somebody else was logging into your account right here. If you notice anything bad, just log out any device that will show up right here, and also change your password for that account. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.